Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your gift card on Forever 21. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in forever21.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Forever 21 website. Now, first of all, log into your account by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner, which will open up the login portal. Just type in your email address and your password and then click on the login button. And once you have been logged in, you will be taken back into the home page. Now, in order to activate your gift card, click on the gift cards option at the top right corner. This will then open up the gift card buying page. You can shop for various different gift cards if you wish to buy them from this page. And in order to activate your gift card, scroll all the way down and you will see the button which says click here to check your gift card balance. Once you click on this button, just enter the gift card number within the gift card number box and then enter your desired PIN within the PIN section. Then click on the check balance button and your gift card will be activated on your Forever 21 account right away. And there you have it. That is how you can activate your gift card on Forever 21. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.